Hey everyone, if you want to create and format tables in Microsoft Word in 2026, like for reports, assignments, or office work, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it easily. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab, then click Table. Choose the number of rows and columns you need for your table. Next, start entering your data into the table. I mean, this can be names, numbers, or any information you want to organize. Now, adjust the column width by dragging the borders. This helps make your table look clean and properly aligned. After that, you can add or delete rows by right-clicking inside the table. I mean, this makes editing very flexible and easy. Next, go to Table Design and choose a style. This instantly improves the look of your table and makes it more professional. Now align your text inside each cell. I mean, you can use left, center, or right alignment depending on your layout. After that, merge or split cells if needed. This is useful for creating headers or custom table structures. Finally, add borders and shading to improve readability. I mean, this makes your table look clean and organized. So yeah, that's how you create and format tables in Microsoft Word in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to design professional tables for any document. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Word tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone.